Nimbly or first formed leaves after seed germination called prophylls. All the green leaves belonging to single plant collectively called foliage. Inflorescence, arrangement of flowers on floral axis or peduncle, that is modified shoot axis, called inflorescence. Solitary inflorescence, arrangement of single flower on floral axis. If single flower present at the tip of floral axis, it is called solitary terminal inflorescence. For example, poppy. If single flower present at the axis of leaf, it is called solitary axillary inflorescence. For example, petunia, China rose. Compound inflorescence, arrangement of group or bunch of flowers on floral axis, that is peduncle. It is of two types. Number one, racemose inflorescence. Number two, cymose inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence. Floral axis, that is peduncle, has indefinite or infinite growth. Peduncle has presence of growing tip. Apex of peduncle does not bear flower. Peduncle has younger flowers at top and older flowers present towards base, like in radish, lupin, mustard. Racemose inflorescence has acropetal arrangement or acropetal succession of flowers. In racemose inflorescence, if peduncle is flattened, younger flowers present in the center and older flowers present towards periphery represent centripetal arrangement of flowers. Cymose inflorescence, floral axis, that is peduncle, shows definite or finite growth. Growing point is absent. Tip of peduncle bears flower. Peduncle has younger flowers towards base and older flowers towards apex, represent basipetal arrangement or succession. If peduncle is flattened, then younger flowers present towards periphery and older flowers present towards center represent centrifugal arrangement. For example, begonia, teak, bougainvillea, dianthus, solanum. Types of racemose inflorescence. Raceme, pedicellate bisexual flowers arranged epipetally on peduncle. For example, larkspur, radish. Spike, sessile bisexual flowers arranged epipetally. For example, Cheiranthus adathola. Catkin or amentum. Sessile unisexual flowers arranged epipetally on pendulous or hanging peduncle. For example, mulberry, that is Morus alba, birch, oak, acalypha. Spadix, peduncle is thick and fleshy. Flowers are sessile, unisexual, covered by colorful bracts called spathe. Sterile tip of peduncle not bearing any flower called appendix. Male flowers present at tip, female flowers present towards base, in between sterile or neuter flowers present. For example, banana, palm, etc. Corymb, short peduncle, pedicellate flowers. Upper flowers have short pedicel and lower flowers have long pedicel. Thus, all the flowers present more or less at same level. For example, candytuft, that is Iberis, capsula. Umbel, umbrella-like inflorescence. Peduncle much more short. All the flowers arise from same point. Outer flowers have long pedicel and inner flowers have short pedicel. Group or whorl of bracts present together called involucre. For example, hydrocotyl plant. Capitulum or racemose head, found in Asteraceae, that is compositive family, like sunflower, zinnia, cosmos, marigold, etc. Peduncle becomes flattened, called receptacle. Receptacle has small sessile flowers called florets. Peripheral florets called ray florets or ligulate florets represent unisexual female or pistillate flowers having zygomorphic, that is bilateral symmetry. Central florets called disc florets or tubular florets represent bisexual florets having actinomorphic, that is radial symmetry. Capitulum is advanced inflorescence. Single visit of insects pollinate many florets. Types of racemose inflorescence. Uniparous monocaseal cyme. Peduncle terminated into flower and bears basipetal flowers arranged or present on one lateral side only. Biparous dicaseal cyme. Peduncle terminated into flower and bears basipetal flower present on both sides of peduncle. Multiparous polycaseal cyme. Peduncle terminated into flower and bears more than two flowers present on both sides of peduncle. Uniparous monocaseal cyme. Two types. Helicoid type, flowers arranged helically on one side or same side of peduncle. Flowers borne in helix pattern. Scorpioid type, successive flowers arranged on opposite direction, means if one flower present on right direction, the next will be on left direction, and so on. Flowers generally borne on one lateral side of peduncle. Special inflorescence. Verticillaster, a cluster of subsessile or sessile flowers borne on a dicaseal cyme ending in monocaseal scorpioid cyme in the form of condensed whorl on either side of the node or axis. The axis is shortened so that all the flowers arise from a single point. For example, Lamiaceae family. Ocimum, that is tulsi or sacred basil. Salvia. Scythium looks like a single flower. A cup-shaped involucre formed by bracts encloses a single female flower represented by pistil or carpel and many male flowers represented by stamens. Flowers are pedicellate and unisexual achlamydeous, that is, calyx and corolla are absent with male and female flowers. Ratio between female and male flowers is 1:many. For example, Euphorbia pulcherrima, that is poinsettia, pedilanthus. Hypanthodium, fleshy receptacle having a hollow cavity and apical opening called ostiole. Unisexual flowers present on inner wall of hollow cavity. Male flowers located at the top near the opening and female flowers located at the bottom having long style. Between male and female flowers, sterile gall flowers present having short style. For example, Ficus species of Moraceae family. Ficus religiosa, that is people. Ficus bengalensis, that is banyan. Ficus carica, that is fig. Ficus raniosa, that is gular.